Apply a baking soda and sugar solution around entry points and trails once a week to keep ants away. Mix equal parts baking soda and granulated sugar and place small piles or shallow trays where you see ants or suspect entry points. The sugar attracts foraging ants and the baking soda disrupts their digestion when ingested. For indoor use, keep piles away from pets and children, or use tightly covered containers with small holes to let ants in but keep pets out. Wipe surfaces first, so the bait is the most attractive option, and refresh wiped areas immediately with a new small pile. Outdoors, apply the mix in dry weather, near cracks, door thresholds, and under eaves, but not directly on plant beds to avoid altering soil pH. After rain or heavy cleaning, reapply the bait and increase application frequency to twice a week in high-activity spots until you see a clear reduction. Common mistakes include expecting instant colony collapse, so be patient and continue weekly applications until activity drops. If activity persists, try relocating baits closer to trails and use more piles spaced every 2 to 3 feet along the path. Another error is placing bait where pets or children can reach it, so move bait into covered containers or behind furniture and never leave loose piles in high-access areas. People also assume one treatment covers long-term, so resume weekly maintenance in summer or after heavy rains, and check baits after cleaning or yard work. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a community where we and our users discuss practical maintenance tips like ant control and bait placement. We help contractors find projects, and we offer a discussion community so members can share experiences and ask questions.